Dale from Power Equipment Direct here. I just want to give you a heads up on how to use the quick search if you're searching for an engine. Go to Select Department, go down to Engines. You're going to select the style, whether it's a horizontal or a vertical crankshaft. If you know your horsepower or CC range, you can click on it here. You can either select one brand or you can look at all the brands that are available. Also, if you scroll down, you'll notice there's options for crankshaft diameter. So if you know your crankshaft is a 1 1/8 inch, you can click on that to narrow it down. Also, you know if it's a key start, what kind of carburetor's on it, if you're looking for a dual element or a multi-stage canister air filter. So if you know you have multi-stage, that'll bring up all your options. So I hope this helped in you selecting your engine.